Hey guys, I've got this Prius here. The customer states the dashboard is starting to flicker out. This is a common issue with these things. I've worked on them a few times with this issue, and it's normally a little capacitor that's inside of the circuitry on the dashboard, or in the dashboard. So I was gonna go ahead and take that out. I do have another one ready for it, and test the capacitor and see what we got. The most difficult part about this job is getting the clips out of the side curtain airbag covers here. Longer the needle nose, the better. You have to reach in from the top here and actually twist this pin so it fits through that slot. wanted to show you the two screws that were holding on the bottom of the airbag there were in these brackets here. They're 12 millimeter. So I've got the new and the old unit here. This one's the new, the old. I think these capacitor right here is the one that's known to go bad. You can see they have replaced that, added something here. It looks like replaced all three of those capacitors there. So known issue with these Priuses, so it should take care of our issue. test it before I get everything back together to make sure that the part is gonna work, and it does. So we'll go ahead and continue the repair. All the repairs went real well. I got it running right now. As you can see, the gauge is working. Reverse. Motor just kicked on. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and let it run here for a little bit. I got an update here on the Prius. I let it idle at the shop for quite a while, and now I just got off my test drive. It's hard to see because the sun, but still working good. That flickering is just the camera. So I think we're gonna let the customer take her and see how it does. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.